Merry Christmas and welcome to the Casual Chef Kitchen. Christmas morning. We started our day with the cinnamon swirl quick bread that I baked yesterday. It came out wonderful. And last night I did the prime rib, the potato lyonnaise, and the corn saute. Everything smash hit. Yum. Today, as soon as I'm done uploading this video, I am making crème brulé. Let's take a look. There's some hardware, eggs, heavy cream, sugar in the raw for the topping, granulated sugar, and Mexican vanilla. Here's all the rest of the hardware. And after the crème brûlée is put to bed in the cold box, I will be preparing individual beef Wellingtons for Robin and I with a Brandy sauce, smashed potatoes, and cream spinach. So, eat great food wherever you are today and have fun cooking.